Hello Mangalore, I'm Glancy and I'm owner of ETO Studios, a cloud kitchen which is part of Cozina Food Tech. As a part of a cloud kitchen, we have around 9 brands here, mainly Warm Oven and Indiana Burgers and Kati Rolls. We are located in Jail Road opposite Zeus Fitness. Part of Warm Oven, we promise to deliver our customers freshly baked cakes. Our cakes are always made fresh. That is, once we receive the order. So we are tied up with Swiggy and Zomato. So 90% of our orders go through Swiggy and Zomato. We also take some direct customized orders for birthday parties, weddings, and other special occasions. The other brand that is very popular from here is Indiana Burgers, and in a very short span of time, with the feedback that we have received from the customers, Indiana Burgers is one of the best selling burgers in Mangalore. The other brand that is very popular amongst our customers is the Kati Rolls. We serve some delicious Kati Rolls and also we have some healthy diet rolls as a part of this brand. We have got a very good feedback from our customers on the taste, quality and packaging of our products. So all these brands are very popular in Bangalore, and my vision to open this store or this franchisee here from a tier 1 city to a tier 2 city was to bring that experience of Bangalore to Mangalore, because I feel Mangalore deserves the best. So as part of our kitchen, we also have a small area which is for celebrations, a small party place wherein you all can come and celebrate your birthdays or any other small events that you have. To know more about this, you can also contact us directly or follow us on Warm Oven Mangalore on Instagram. And we are looking forward to meet you and to serve you and for you all to enjoy the taste of our kitchen.
Thank you for watching AroundMangalore.com channel. Do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.